Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. This is a quick video showing you how to fill the well in your chainsaw with bar and chain oil. It's very simple. Okay, so here is where the oil goes in. And I've gone ahead and put the scabbard back on just so I don't accidentally touch that and get cut. Now there is an indicator here that you can see when your oil is getting low. With mine being clear, it is a little harder to see, not impossible, but you just want to check if you do use the clear. So here is a little unlock and lock symbol, and this just pops up, and then you go ahead and turn it counterclockwise, and then this part just pops up. Now here's one thing to keep in mind, you can see mine's low, is this is going to take up some room. I mean, this is hollow, so you just want to make sure that you do don't fill it to the very tippy top of this well, because that will displace some of the oil and then you'll have a mess and a waste. So here is my DeWalt bar and chain oil. This is the best. I do have a video showing you this lab tested against all the others. And these are made, you know, they're shaped kind of funky and a little offset, and they're made to pour easily this way, okay? So this is already opened, okay? So you can kind of see the inside. It's nice and clear, and if it goes all over the place, I don't have to worry about animals or anything, you know, or wildlife. It's biodegradable and safe for the environment. So I'm going to turn this so that I can show you, and hopefully I can film and not dump this at the same time. That looks to be about good. And there is a tiny, you can see it on camera, there's a tiny little, almost looks like fishing line that connects that cap so that it doesn't fall off and get lost. So it's kind of tethered there. And then all you do to replace is stick that back down in like you did when you took it out in the same position, and then turn it clockwise and until it's like horizontal, and then go ahead and close that. And that's all there is to it. So I thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a comment if you have any questions also. And please give me a follow. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.